Hi guys, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin Rak. Today, guys, I prepared one lesson upon your request, and today you are going to learn how we use possessive forms in Turkish. And there's a suffix which we normally use for this possessive forms, which is ki. Ki is called ki in Turkish. Okay, so also I prepared some slideshows and examples for you guys. And before I go there, I would like to give some very simple examples how we can form the examples. For example, in English, you say if something is belongs to you, so you say it's mine. If something belongs to, I'm sorry, I mean if it belongs to me, I say it's mine. If it belongs to you, it's yours. If it belongs to someone else, it's Ali's or it's Jack's or it's Mary's. So as you see there, if we use nouns for personal nouns, for example, someone's name, so you put S, okay, apostrophe and S. So, for example, you say Jack, Jack's. For example, Jack's car, also you can say it's Jack's. So if it's Mary's house, then you say it's Mary's. So the S over there shows a person who that belongs to. So in Turkish we say for this, guys, we have only one word for this. It's key. Okay, so I will show you this now slideshow examples. Alright, see you. Alright guys, now we are at this slideshow. As you see, as I told you before, we will use key, suffix of key, which means possessive forms. Okay guys, so in Turkish we use for this only key. Alright, now let's see the examples here. Possessive pronouns, or in Turkish we say for this title, guys, iyilik zamirleri. İyilik zamirleri. Okay, so as you see on the right side, guys, you see the examples of possessive pronouns. Okay, personal possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, its. Ours, yours, theirs. So in Turkish we use for this, for example, adjective pronouns, for example, benim, senin, onun, bizim, sizin, onların. But to describe this as possessive pronoun, you have to use only one word, which is a suffix, guys, which is, as you see here, ki. Okay, in red. So we call this ki. For example, benim ki. Benim ki means mine, equals to mine in English, guys. Actually, we should write like this. I just show you example, show you here on the left, but the real writing is like this. Benim ki, just like there's a little space, not like this big space, guys. Alright, I think it's clear enough. Now let me repeat these pronouns, possessive pronouns, guys, for you. If you want, repeat it with me or repeat after me. Benim ki, senin ki, onun ki, bizim ki, sizin ki, onların ki. Repeat one more time. Benim ki, senin ki, onun ki, bizimki, sizinki, onlarınki. Alright, so look, there's a note for names of people use ki in Turkish as an examples of, for example, Jack's car, guys, example. Look, I show you a couple examples here. This is Jack's. When I say this is Jack's, this belongs to Jack. So which can be anything, guys. Maybe Jack's car, Jack's pencil, Jack's money, Jack's house, everything possible. So we use there here bu, Jack'in. Look, there's a apostrophe, and then we put in Turkish. Jack'in ki, Jack'in ki. Or you can complete this with dir. Okay, guys. This is Jack's. For example, in Turkish we say bu Jack'in kidir. Or you can say bu Jack'in ki, which is short. Okay, guys. O Mary'nin ki. O Mary'nin ki. So that's Mary's. So there are two S's in English, guys. I just like to give you an example. I mean, what it means here, this shows S is, and this shows possessive pronoun in English, guys. Alright, so example here, Jack's, which is Jack'in ki. Okay. Or you can put here Turkish name as well. For example, you can say Ali, Ali's. Okay, so you can say Ali'nin ki, Ali'nin ki. Okay, guys. So don't forget to put here in as well, guys. So another example, Ali's wife is here. Ali's wife is here. So Ali's wife, the wife which belongs to Ali. So Ali's wife is here. Ali'nin eşi burada. Okay, so this is different. Ali'nin eşi. Because why it's different? Because I put here wife, not only leave it alone. So that's why I describe it with wife. That's why I put here Ali'nin eşi. Okay, guys, eşi. So we use like this. I hope it's clear information for you. If you have any questions about this slide, please let me know. Now let's get to examples. So guys, at the same time, I would like to point out the phrase of as if, as if how to use in Turkish. Like, please guys, if I'm wrong, please correct me in English when I explain. As if is kind of like you can say, suppose that, or it sounds, it seems, or it tastes as if. So it completes like this. For example, it tastes as if, or it seems as if, or it sounds as if. So for these, in Turkish we use only one word, which is sanki. Sanki. Okay. But you know what? I want to point out something here as well. Sanki, I think it sounds to me like think that, think that, think that. Okay, or you can say suppose that. All right. So let's see our examples. First, I will show you in Turkish, of course, but also the explanations here as well in English, guys. Alright, so let's start now. I will make it slower for you to understand how we can pronounce this correctly. Okay, let's go ahead. Sanki her şey yolundaymış gibi görünüyor. Sanki her şey yolundaymış gibi görünüyor. Guys, now here, sanki and here mış gibi. Mış gibi. You see here? Okay, so this means it seems as if. So this is what it completes like this. Okay, it seems as if. Sanki mış gibi. So there's the word here, yolundaymış. This is the exam. I mean, kind of everything is alright. So which completes with mış gibi in Turkish. Sanki her şey yolundaymış gibi görünüyor. Next example. Sanki sınavı geçti de tatil planları yapıyor. Sanki sınavı geçti de tatil planları yapıyor. Actually, there's something which hasn't completed yet, which hasn't been real yet, just imagination. So that's why she's making holiday plans as if she passed the exam. Okay, guys, so as you understand this in the English example, she didn't pass yet or she didn't learn the result yet. So that's why we use here in English as if she passed. Okay, guys, so this is what it means. Sanki sınavı geçti de tatil planları yapıyor. Sanki başkanmış gibi konuşuyor. Sanki başkanmış gibi. You see here mış gibi, and in the first example mış gibi. Sanki başkanmış gibi konuşuyor. She's talking as if she were the president. Actually, she is not the president, but just we are imagining or we are just assuming. All right, guys. So that's why we put here mış gibi. Sanki başkanmış gibi konuşuyor. Sanki bugün yağmur yağacakmış gibi. Sanki bugün yağmur yağacakmış gibi. It seems as if it's going to rain. Okay. But just this is imagination. This hasn't been real yet. Okay, guys. Sanki ana dili İngilizceymiş gibi. Sanki ana dili İngilizceymiş gibi. Of course, I put here three dots next to each others. Actually, I can complete this because I should complete this because there is word there's a one example. You are speaking. I didn't put this here in Turkish. Sen konuşuyorsun. Sanki ana dili İngilizceymiş gibi konuşuyorsun. We will complete this as konuşuyorsun because which completes as you are speaking. Okay, guys. Sanki ana dili İngilizceymiş gibi konuşuyorsun. This is what it means in English. You are speaking as if English is your mother tongue. I think this little seem like complicated, but actually when you just repeat over and over and feel it like that, and you will understand how we use sanki. And the other word here is muş gibi. Okay, guys. Let's say here madem ki. Another word is madem ki. Madem ki means if, so, or you can say if. So madem ki. Okay. Madem ki haklısın, o zaman kanıt göster. Madem ki haklısın, o zaman kanıt göster. If you think you are right, then show the proof. Okay, someone is talking about something and the judge is listening to that person. And the judge, okay, tells the person who is defendant or defendee, then okay, you are telling something right, then you are claiming actually, then show it and prove it. So the phrase that you can use here, if you think you are right, example, imagine like this, the judge is telling this sentence to the guy, if you think you are right, then show the proof. So in Turkish we say, madem ki haklısın, o zaman kanıt göster. Okay. I hope this example kind of give you a light how you can use this word, correctly. That's why I just tried to pick the specific examples that will help you remember easily in your mind. Okay, next example. Madem ki doğru söylüyorsun, if you are telling the truth, or you can say if you think you are telling the truth. Okay, guys. Madem ki İngilizce bildiğini söylüyorsun, o zaman konuş. For example, I say I know English, or I speak English. Then you want to make sure that if I speak English or not, so you tell me in Turkish, madem ki İngilizce bildiğini söylüyorsun, madem ki İngilizce bildiğini söylüyorsun, o zaman konuş. If you think you speak English, then speak it. Okay, guys. I hope it's clear, guys, for you. I just wonder, what it might be much easier for you. These are the easy examples to help you remember easily. Madem ki cömertsin, o zaman cömertliğini göster. If you think you are generous, then show your generosity. Okay. Madem ki buradan sorumlusun, o zaman sorunumuzu hallet. Actually, there must be you, guys. After R, there must be you. Okay. Sorunumuzu hallet. Hallet means fix it. Fix. Solve. Yani that means solve the problem. Solve. Okay. If you think you are responsible or in charge of this place, buradan sorumlusun. Oh, actually here, guys, there's another misspelling here. The am here, which I show here with cursor, shouldn't be. This am is bye-bye, okay? So, rumlusun, not am here. Okay, madem ki buradan sorumlusun, o zaman sorunumuzu hallet. Okay, there must be you after R. Okay, it's like this, guys. So, this is the end of our lesson. Guys, if you have any questions or offers or any constructive comments are always appreciable to us. So, in Turkish we use for this sorularınız, önerileriniz veya yapıcı yorumlarınız her zaman bizim için değerlidir. Guys, thank you so much for your patience and for your time and for watching this video. If you guys have any questions about this, lesson, please don't forget to write, or do not hesitate to write us under the below on YouTube lessons, or you can write us at bilgetactifriend.com. Alright, guys, thanks for your time and hope to see you next time. Bye.